Accent.
It's been a really good night.
Come on.
Do you want a stream?
Oh, I can't do a Somerset accent because I'd be there from there. I don't know what you rightly asked me for. Oh wait, you want my tractor? You want my tractor? I can't
I
do
want
my
your
tractor.
combine harvester, Pat.
Oh, I ain't gonna bring you combine harvester. I'll give you the key.
That's good. These
Where's your cattle lager?
Because
Oh, my apples? I don't have apples because I drink lager. When normally I make an apple. My wife, she drinks cider.
We're not really good.
Oh, don't you be winding me up. Jeez, I want to be back at Somerset making custard. Leave me alone.
No, I'm not leaving you alone.
I'm not in your fag. I made you a cigarette and I don't even be driving. Well, I parked my tractor outside. And I don't know rightly where I parked it. I think I left it outside my combine harvester. I don't rightly know.
Off-road.
I'm paranoid now. I don't know. I remember when I was married 25 years ago, my wife, Mildred, she made me good cider. And I said, Mildred, how would you make that cider? I said, I don't really know. I just put apples into it. I said, how many apples you put in my cider? I said, who cares? Get you fucked. I was like, I get rightly fucked. That'd be alright. Oh, you be filming.
Stop shaking here.
Stop.